Have you been looking for a brightening cream that will naturally brighten up your skin? This is a video you want to watch to the end. This cream is so simple to come up with. You can basically make this cream at home with simple natural ingredients you can even find in your kitchen. So this video is what you want to watch because you are going to learn how to make this simple and easy natural cream that will help brighten out your skin and even out your skin tone. Let's get started. You need tangerine. So this is a citrus packed with vitamin C. So what you want to do is to get a clean plate, wash the tangerine, then you peel. What you're going to use to make this cream is the tangerine peel. So the tangerine peel is packed with vitamin C, and you know vitamin C helps to naturally brighten the skin. It helps to even out the skin tone. It helps to brighten and make your skin glow. So if you're looking for a source of vitamin C in your cream, this is what you want to use. So as you guys can see, I'm done peeling, so you're going to go ahead and grind. So this is what we have. Okay, so add some distilled water, then you mix. So we are going to extract the water from this tangerine peel, and that is what we are going to use to make this cream. So you need to add little water because we want the water, okay, to be highly concentrated. So that is what we are going to use to make this cream. So mix so that it will, you know, kind of soak into the peel, and then we can be able to get the concentrated tangerine water. So I had to add more water, okay, so that it can extract the juice easily for us. In as much as we want to extract a concentrated juice, we want it to easily come out, okay? So the next thing you're going to do is to get a clean plate like so. Then using a cheesecloth, you're going to transfer the tangerine peel into the cheesecloth. Make sure that the cheesecloth is very clean, okay? Then after that, we are going to squeeze, okay, to get this concentrated juice from the ground tangerine peel. So it needs to be concentrated so that it will actually give us what we want. So take your time. As you guys can see, the juice coming out from this peel is so concentrated, and that is what we need to actually get the result we want from this cream. So here is the extracted juice from the tangerine peel. So here we have a base cream. This is an unscented cream that will serve as a foundation to this cream we are making, okay? So after transferring this to a clean plate, just go ahead and give it a little mix, okay, to loosen up. So after that, you're going to add aloe vera gel. So this is cosmetic aloe vera gel, okay? It will help and it will make this cream very hydrating. So you can get this aloe vera gel in cosmetic stores, okay? So once you've added it, go ahead and mix, give this a very good mix until it's well blended. So after that, the next thing you're going to do is to add a tangerine peel juice, okay? So you add, then you mix, add little at a time, then you mix until you get the perfect consistency you want. Actually, we need a light consistency. to allow our cream spread very well on the skin and to make the cream easily blend into our skin. Okay, so you're going to keep adding until you have a lighter consistency that will allow our cream spread. Guys, this is an amazing cream you want to try out. This is a cream that will naturally brighten your skin. You don't need what to bleach or change your skin tone, but this will naturally brighten your skin. It will also make your skin supple. So like I said, add this juice in bit until you get the consistency you want, and the consistency we are looking for is a lighter consistency. And you keep mixing, keep blending everything together. So as you guys can see, this consistency is given. Okay, and this cream can be applied to any skin type. Okay, so irrespective of your skin type, this cream will go well with you, whether you're an oily skin person, you're a dry skin person, irrespective of the kind of skin type. Okay, so add jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, add your preservative, then you add your fragrance oil. Then you're going to mix this until it's well incorporated. Guys, this cream is highly hydrating, moisturizing, and it will as well brighten your skin. So mix so that everything will blend very well. So this is the natural cream, like I said, that will help brighten your skin. And also, irrespective of your skin tone, whether you're dark in complexion, you're fair in complexion, you can use this cream. What this cream will do is to make your skin pop. So after that, add it into a clean container. Okay, this cream is so nice. So like I said, irrespective of the kind of skin tone you have, whether you're dark, whether you are fair, irrespective of your skin tone, you can use this perfect cream. This natural cream is what you want to try if you've been looking for something natural that will naturally brighten your skin, naturally make your skin beautiful. I think this is a cream you should make on your own, and every ingredient used in this cream is very natural, and that is what you want. Okay, so hope you're trying this cream. Leave your feedback in the comment once you try it. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.